Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another tie-dye t-shirt. We got it outside with the cold water. This is our, I guess it would be a Blinkle spiral, a turquoise, purple, and pink spiral. Custom shirt for a friend of mine, friend of ours, friend of the family. This one having that deep purple and turquoise in it. Those are two colors that don't like to wash out real well. It takes a lot to get them out, so definitely going to rinse this one pretty good out here as good as we can and then carry it inside. See how deep the water is first coming off of it. If it was a pastel, it'd probably be ready to go in right now.
Yeah, but we still kept a lot of our color on the bottom, even though we had some really dark purple.
Probably through, yeah. That purple's it's deep purple for a reason. It's very deep. It's a dark purple. We have a lighter purple, which is probably used, but we didn't mix it in. That's okay. Especially when it mixes with that turquoise, which is really dark. To the inside.
Sorry, forgot to tell you.
It's all good. Getting it unbanded. Definitely got good coverage all the way through. We wanted a darker shirt. I think we might have achieved that. Let's see what we got. Ooh, nice. Look at that, people. Oh, yeah. Nice. Yes. Oh, yeah. Nice. Off the backboard. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay. I know it's just a basic spiral, but that really did come out real good. This is a custom shirt for a friend of ours. Look at that nice striation all the way out to the sleeve. Pattern follows all the way to each edge. Man, does she make some good spiral tees. Just a basic 3 color. Nice hot pink, deep purple, turquoise. Looks really good. Man. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.